Hi, I'm Chandran. I'm from FSKTM and I'm doing Bachelor in Information Technology for Multimedia subject. My group will present about the privacy of user on using social media. And first of all, I will intro my group members. First, Azra Aiman, Takiuddin, and Mizal. Okay, the social media apps have the biggest privacy issue because so many users thinks they are secure. Users don't take the time to actually read the privacy policy. Users also don't usually take the time to read the terms when they first receive the apps. Apps like FB, Twitter, Instagram are major platforms of social media that have privacy issues in the past. This is the explanation of some of the privacy issues for the major social media apps.
Probably almost everyone in here has a Facebook or has had one at some point. Facebook brags about their privacy policy and how it is so good, and it is actually private. But with over 2.2 billion users, how private can it really be? Just as one might think, Facebook isn't really as private as it claims. To many users, this isn't news because nothing is really private on the internet. The main reason that there are so many issues with privacy and users getting upset is because users misunderstand the privacy settings. Just some of the issues that Facebook has had in the past include not all photos are private. Even if you set your profile to be private, some of your pictures will still appear because the individual picture setting is set to public. Your comments are searchable. Many users don't think that their comments on statuses and posts can be searched, but that's wrong because comments are actually searchable and can appear in Google searches. Profile will appear. If you search your name on Google and you have a Facebook, 9 times out of 10 your Facebook profile will pop up. Hidden posts can still appear even if you hide them from your own timeline. Liked pages tracked. When you like a sponsored post, Facebook tracks that and puts that information into a database. They claim they only use the information to make your experience better, but what else are they doing with it? FacePrint database illegal. Recently, when you upload a picture, Facebook has a feature that pre-tags people based on facial recognition. This shows and proves that Facebook looks at your information and keeps track of your movements. It also invades others' privacy. I'm sure everyone has heard about the privacy issues and problems that Facebook has recently faced in regards to their Messenger app. Facebook made it so that you cannot access your messages from the regular app and forced you to either download the Messenger app or go online to view your messages. Many people did not want to do this because once they got the app, they had to allow the app to have access to so many different things, and they felt that their privacy was being invaded. One issue that users reported was that the app could use your microphone to record you whenever they wanted, and they could also use your camera to view what you are doing. Because of these issues, users have either not downloaded the Messenger app or have deleted the Facebook app. But there are many flaws in the policy that most users are unaware of until their privacy is violated. A couple issues that Instagram has faced include photo default is public. When a user first downloads and starts using Instagram, the photo sharing is automatically set to public, which means that anyone can see your photos unless you go into your settings and change it. Geotagging. Instagram is known for putting geotags or your location on the photos you post. These geotags allow other users to see where you are and where you have been. Strangers. If your profile is not set to private, anyone can look at your pictures and random people can start following you. This becomes a problem because strangers can follow you and essentially start to stalk you. Pictures that users believe are private are not really private. If they post or share the link to any other website, anyone with the link is able to click it and can view the picture and profile. There have also been rumors that Instagram has sold users' pictures to ads.
Okay, Asher. Okay, the next one is Twitter. Let me tell you the interesting fact about the Twitter. Firstly, Twitter iconic logo is named after NBA legend Larry Bird. Second, Twitter did not invent the hashtag. Hashtag date back to 1988 when people used them in chat rooms. Thirdly, Saudi Arabia has the highest percent of interest users who are active on Twitter. Thank you.
Twitter has over 300 million users, so that poses the question, how private can it really be? The answer to that question is Twitter is not as private as one thinks. Just to talk about a few privacy issues with Twitter. Location given. Some tweets actually disclose the user's location, and this makes it so others are able to find out where they are. Websites visited. Have you ever noticed that suggested tweets or Twitter accounts reflect the pages that you have recently visited? This is because Twitter keeps track of the websites you visit and claims to use this information to promote products. Contacts taken. You get most of your followers on Twitter from the app taking your phone book and looking to see who has Twitter accounts. Most of the time, you don't give the app permission to do this. Accounts hacked. I will talk about this more with my example, but there have been multiple accounts of Twitter accounts being hacked due to lousy privacy safeguards.
The next is about the hijack of Tesla website on Twitter account. Let's watch.
Recently, Tesla's website and Twitter accounts were hijacked. The hijackers vandalized the company website, but they put on the website that it was actually hacked. Elon Musk, a worker at Tesla, also had his verified Twitter account compromised. The hijackers used a simple method to access all of Tesla's information. Because of this, Tesla has implemented new security systems and safeguards to make it harder for their accounts to be hijacked.
Okay guys, now I will tell about the conclusion. As a conclusion, I want to give some tips to share your privacy online. Think before you post. Make sure what you will say are reflecting who you are and you are okay with it. Check all your privacy settings. Double the check to make sure all your profiles are on private. Lastly, understand the privacy policy. Make sure you are fully understand all the privacy policy and say so you can tell the difference whether your privacy are not violated. Thank you.